Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. Today's tutorial is especially for beginners as we'll be learning how to do this quick and simple flower which can be easily crocheted even by beginners. So let's begin the tutorial. The materials that we need in order to make this flower are a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Here I'll be using these two different colors 4-ply cotton yarn. You can go for any different color as per your choice. And scissors. So let's begin. To start up with the flower, first we shall make the center part using the green color yarn. Make a magic circle. And into the magic circle, work 3 chains. Now these 3 chains will be considered as the first double crochet. And going back into the magic circle, work 3 more double crochet. So including the first 3 chains, in all I have worked 4 double crochets. Now I will be working 4 chains. So this sequence will be repeated 3 more times. So going back into the magic circle, work 4 double crochet. So here I am done with the 4 double crochet followed by 4 chains. Repeat this 2 more times. So once I am done with it, I shall get back. So here as you can see into the magic circle, I have worked 4 sets of 4 double crochet followed by 4 chains. After working the last set of 4 double crochet, pull the tail of the magic circle to close it and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet worked. And cut the yarn. Now for working with the petals, we'll be using the red color yarn. Now here you can see I have worked 4 double crochet. So skip the first 2 double crochet and insert the hook into the gap between the double crochets and pull up this yarn. Now work 1 chain. Into the same space, work 1 single crochet. So as you can see, I worked this single crochet into the gap of the 4 double crochets worked, and on the right side as well as on the left side of the single crochet, I have 2 double crochet each. Now going into the chain 4 space, we need to work 6 double crochet. So this will be the first petal. So here I have done with the 6 double crochet. Now work 1 chain and again going back into the same space, work 6 more double crochet. So our first petal is done. Now we'll be skipping the first 2 double crochet and going into the gap between the second and the third double crochet. Insert your hook and work 1 single crochet. Now the pattern repeats. Going into the chain 4 space, again we'll be working the second petal. For that, work 6 double crochet. followed by one chain and 6 more double crochet into the same space. So our second petal is done. Now skip the next 2 double crochets and going into the gap between the second and the third double crochet, insert your hook and work one single crochet. So we'll be repeating this pattern for 2 more times in order to work the third and the fourth petal of the flower. So once I'm done with it, I shall get back. After working the fourth petal, I have slip stitched on top of the first single crochet work. So that completes our quick and simple flower tutorial. I hope this was very useful, especially for beginners. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.